Canon has just barged into the mid-range full-frame hybrid camera arena with this new entry, the 32.5 megapixel EOS R6 Mark III, which is a huge improvement over the Mark II thanks to higher resolution, faster shooting speeds, and better video spec. It comes with a high price and lacks a stacked or partially stacked sensor, unlike some of the other cameras in this segment. The new 32.5 megapixel sensor provides a big boost in resolution compared to the 24 megapixel previous time. It offers higher shooting speed of 40 fps in burst mode or 12 fps with a mechanical shutter. It supports 20 frames per second of pre-shooting, so you won't have to miss key moments for wildlife and sports shooting. It uses Canon's dual pixel autofocus and comes with the company's latest AI tracking algorithm. It can operate in fairly dim condition up to -6 EV and should be more responsive with Canon's latest Digicax processor. It offers subject tracking for people, animal, vehicle, along with auto mode that will pick one of those automatically. It borrowed the register people priority feature from the RS2. The biggest update is with video. Thanks to higher resolution sensor, it can now capture 7K 60 frames per second raw light video, 7K 30 frames per second open gate video, and 4K at the rate of 120Hz. All with Canon C-Log 2 and C-Log 3 on tap. There's a dizzying array of other video formats available with HEVCS, AVCS, raw light, and others at resolution up to 7K. All the autofocus subject detection features are available, and Canon is typically amongst the best for video autofocus. Nobody expects the radical redesign changes in the Canon camera, so the R6 Mark III keeps the last model's tried and true form factor. That includes two adjustable dials on the tap and one on the rear, along with joystick, photo edit, video selector, mode dial, and good assortment of programmable buttons. The rear screen flips as you expect for vlogging. It does not tilt. The viewfinder has 3.69 million dots of resolution, same as Sony's A7 Mark IV, but less than Panasonic's slightly more expensive Lumix S1 Mark II. One big change is the addition of CFexpress card slot that allows raw video capture and faster burnout speeds, along with SD UHS 2 slot. Alongside the EOS R6 Mark III, Canon introduced some interesting new glass. The RF 45mm lens bring high speeds and shallow depth of field to much smaller and lighter points, 446 gram form factor. It'll arrive later this month for $2,800 for the body only and $4,049 with the lens. That's a bit more than Nikon's $2,500 Z6 Mark III, which is partially stacked but with lower resolution 24 megapixel. Panasonic's S1 Mark II is also partially stacked 24 megapixel but can shoot up to 70 frames per second and cost $3,200. Finally, Sony's A7 Mark IV has a similar 33 megapixel sensor but lacks the raw video features of the R6 Mark III.